Hello and welcome back to the Wax Slayer. My name's April. So today I have a really exciting haul for you guys. This is my Rosegirls RTS. Now you guys, I'm not kidding you. I ordered this on Monday and it's Thursday and my order is already here. I am so excited. I've smelled most of these scents before, but there are a few things that I haven't smelled yet. And honestly, as soon as I saw she was pouring a particular scent, I knew I had to go in, even though I'm supposed to be on a low buy. But if you want to see what I picked up and what scent I just knew I had to have, keep on watching. Okay, so everything is just packaged absolutely beautifully. Now, Rosegirls is owned by Jenny Oakes, and she does have a Facebook page. I highly recommend that you check out her Facebook page if you wanted to order some of her wax. She's having pre-orders coming up, and she has RTSs quite often. I'll go ahead and put that in the description box below, but this is the little card that she sent out with her wax, and that's my cat making noise. Beautiful pink tissue paper. Pink is one of my favorite colors. And now for the glorious wax. Now you guys, I already smell some of these scents in here. She has some banger scents. I am so excited. Let's go ahead and start off with her sample. And this is Out of Sight, Out of Mind. What a fabulous name. And I love the colors in here. So the scent notes are pink coconut, campfire marshmallows, and boom boom. And this is Sol de Janeiro type. I love boom boom in wax. I just think it smells so tropical and fruity and beachy. And ooh, that's really good. Okay, so I'm definitely picking up on that boom boom, and it is absolutely divine, just screams summer. But I'm also getting that pink coconut. And then I think the campfire marshmallows is adding like a coziness to the scent. This is going to be fabulous to warm during the spring summertime. I'm probably gonna put this in my warmers this week just because this is a scent that is gonna be right up my alley. So thank you so much, Jenny. I am so excited. It's like you picked out the perfect sample for me. Okay, so start off at the top, and this is the one I think I'm smelling already, even though nothing's been opened really, and that is Fizzy Pops. So if you are a fan of Fizzy Pop scents, I highly recommend that you check out Jenny's Fizzy Pop. She has, I think, one of the best in the industry. Oh my goodness, it is so stinking strong, and I am so here for that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I have been waiting for her to pour this as a single oil for so long. Oh, it smells so good. So this is a very sweet, fizzy, lemon lime kind of a scent. I love it. I love warming this on its own. I love mixing it. You can put any kind of fruity scent with this. You could put a strawberry, you could put a watermelon, you could put a cherry. I think satsuma would be really good with this. So many mixing possibilities. So I am so happy to have that one in my stash again because I completely ran out of the last one. And speaking of the last Fizzy Pop I had from her, I was like 2.5 years old and it still performed like a champ. I could not believe how strong it was after 2.5 years. So absolutely fabulous. Okay, next up is one that I picked up a double in, and that is fresh picked strawberries. Now, I wanted to see if her fresh picked strawberries oil was the same as her mom Kathy's from Scoopable Wax Melts, because her mom has a wonderful fresh picked strawberry, and I'm pretty sure it's the same, but I wanted to test it out and see. It's the same, I think. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the fresh picked strawberry oil that I love. It is like you are just chomping down on a juicy, sweet, off the vine strawberry, and it has the seeds and everything. It's like you can smell the seeds in this. No kidding. Oh my gosh. It's like the whole entire juicy strawberry, and I love it. To me, it is not a candied strawberry. It's not an artificial strawberry. It's like a straight up fresh, right out of your garden strawberry, and I love it. This is going to be great on its own. It's going to be great as a mixer. You could put this with other fruity scents. There's another bag in here that I picked up that I plan on mixing with, but you could do bakery even with it. Just so many possibilities. Or hey, warm it on its own because it is such a good strawberry scent. All right, so this is the one that I got because I wanted to mix it with that fresh picked strawberries, and that is fresh cut grass. Now I know you guys are thinking, why the heck would you want to have grass smelling in your house? But trust me, it's not like lawn clippings. It's not gross, dirty, nasty grass. Not at all. This is like fresh, clean grass. I don't even know how else to describe it. It's like fresh, clean grass that's kind of had morning dew on it. Crisp, clean, refreshing, invigorating, so good. This is one that I typically use for a mixer, and I did pick up 2 because I don't know when she's gonna pour that one again. But here's my thought process. I have 2 fresh picked strawberries, so I'm gonna mix these 2 together. I have some watermelon, I think some watermelon zen from Rosegirls in my wax stash. I'm gonna mix that with the fresh cut grass. Really, the mixing possibilities are endless. I highly recommend using a super vibrant fruity scent to go with it. You will not be disappointed. And the way I do it when I mix my scents, I don't typically put them in the same warmer. I kind of put them in alternating warmers throughout my house, and it just, in the air, it just comes together and it smells so great. So that's what I plan on doing with that mix. Okay, next up is one that I took a leap of faith on. I was talking with my friend Summer and we weren't quite sure. I don't know if she smelled this one before on its own, but I was like, I'm gonna take one for the team and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna grab it. So I picked up 3 of her Lavender Coconut Milk. So if you know me, you know that I used to hate lavender scents. Like, I did not like them at all. But I just found that I was not warming the right kind of lavender for my nose. I like a sweet, bakery, creamy lavender, one that kind of gives off a bakery vibe. So I was thinking this one might do that. So this is herbal lavender and coconut milk. Now I did ask Jenny if the lavender was more of a sweet kind of a lavender, and she said she thought so. And it is, you guys, this is the lavender I know and love and want in my life. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's dreamy. That coconut milk adds an extra depth of richness and sophistication to the scent. So this is one that I could absolutely warm on its own, no problem. Oh, it'd be so great as a bedtime melt. But I also am going to mix this with some bakery scents and just have a lavender fiesta party in my house because this smells so good. I did pick up 3 on a leap of faith, and I am so happy that I did because I think this sold out relatively quickly during her RTS. So Jenny's Lavender Coconut Milk. This gets 2 thumbs up from me. It's fabulous. I think it's gonna be beautiful on its own and even better as a mixer. Okay, so I was telling you guys about a certain scent that anytime Jenny pours it, I'm like, I want that scent. It's my favorite. I think, oh, it's just so good. And that is her Gilligan's Brew. Yes, I went in and I picked up 3 of her Gilligan's Brew. I don't know if you smelled this yet, but you guys, this has got to be the best coconut scent I have ever smelled. And I'm a coconut lover, so that says a lot that this one to me is the absolute best. The scent notes I think are like creamy coconut and like creamy heavy whipping cream, something like that. So it's like the creaminess from the coconut and then the creaminess from the heavy whipping cream. And it's magic in my nose. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so good. This is the best. This is the best. This one screams summer to me. This one is like, it's a bakery coconut creamy milk kind of a scent. Oh my gosh. It is so good. I have had this on its own before and I love it. I have had it in mixes of Jenny and her mom's. I think, was it Gilligan's Brew and Carbs? It is fantastic. So this is one that I absolutely warm on its own. I also use it as a mixer. I think this would also be really, really good with the lavender coconut cream, kind of in like alternating warmers. And then maybe if you had like an almond croissant or something, you could add that to the mix too. I think that would be so fabulous. But right now, since I have them both with me in front of my nose, yeah, that works. Oh man, that smells so good. Yes, and this is strong. Like her Gilligan's Brew is freaking strong to my nose. I just love it. So I do think she is having a pre-order coming up relatively soon. I don't know exactly when, but she has them fairly often. Her wax is great. I think she has some wonderful blends. I really am so happy that she poured the Gilligan's Brew because I knew I had to go in for that. And then of course the Fizzy Pop because I was out of that one too. And this one, I am so excited, the Lavender Coconut Milk. I am so excited to try it. And Summer, Michelle, if you are watching, this is the lavender we love. So if you see her pour this one again, snag it. Maybe I'll send you some in a little happy friend mail box. It's great. So thank you so much for watching and leave a comment below. Did you go in to her last RTS? And if you did, what was the #1 scent you were really going after, and were you able to snag it? Because like I said, things are, you know, flying out of people's carts. It was crazy. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.